In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily and professionally move a grand piano up a flight of stairs. Now, this doesn't just go for a grand piano, it also goes for uprights. Hello, my name is Sean. I'm with Stumpf Moving Storage, and I'm your go-to guide for anything and everything moving and storage related, especially piano moving. In this video, I'm going to teach you how and show you step by step how we take a grand piano up a flight of stairs, and not just any flight of stairs, but the most difficult one I could find. Biggest challenge we have here is how steep the driveway is as we approach these stairs. You guys can see that these are actually loose, so we have to be very careful as we get into the house.
Piano has already been professionally pad wrapped and protected and placed onto the piano board at the pickup location. Now that we're at the delivery destination, we have to assess the situation here. We've checked for any other possible entries and we don't have any. So we do have to go up this difficult flight of stairs. And yes, aside from using a crane, pushing the piano is the only way to get the piano up the flight of stairs. We're going to be waxing the piano board. We're going to do this because that will counteract any friction that we have as we push the piano up the flight of stairs.
And we're just going to wax it up just like a skateboard or snowboard to the best of our ability. This is going to help reduce friction and allow the piano to glide.
Now again, this piano move is made extremely difficult because of the steep angle of the driveway. We couldn't even get our truck in here because we would bottom out. So we have to push the piano up the hill and then turn it in.
I'm on you. I got you.
At the same time, we have to hold the balance as we bring the piano in towards the stairs. It's a very tricky thing to do, and it takes experience to do this correctly.
Remember, we're waxed. Let him lift. Now go. Okay, now we'll lift up and come in. JT.
Okay, but Josh, you hitting that step. Josh.
Hold on. Okay, hold on a second. You're gonna, now the way we are here, guys, we're gonna have to turn it down this way. JT, come to me. Come to me. Butt it up. Right there. Butt it up right there. Come on up. I know it's gonna lean. Come on up. Allow him to butt it. Okay, right there. Pull that dolly. Keep coming up, Josh. There you go. Now come down.
Once we have it in place, we have one individual in the back, that will be me today, pushing, as we have an individual in the front pulling. That's Josh. Josh is using a hump strap to pull the piano up the flight of stairs. Now he's not lifting up on the strap because that will create an issue with the piano being off balance and possibly flipping. Basically, he's pulling it straight with the angle of the stairs. If he runs into a stair that might be higher, he can lift the piano a little bit to allow the piano board to get over that stair and continue to slide. We have two other individuals, one on each side, to help hold the balance because of how awkward and uneven these stairs are. Now JT will be on the left and Stan is on the right as we work our way up the flight of stairs. These two individuals also have really big responsibilities as they are working to assist with pushing as well as holding the balance. They're also tasked with removing and placing the dolly when necessary.
JT, can you get up on the thing?
That's a cool spot.
Okay.
Come up
Hold on.
a little bit, you can push in, you ready?
Now this flight of stairs is difficult, and it's made difficult because of some unique challenges that we have to overcome. First and foremost, the spacing is awkward. There are large gaps between the stairs, and that's made even more difficult because these stairs are made of pavers.
Okay, so we're gonna be taking a break now. Once we get up there, we'll to the flat again. Yeah, you can run that up there.
Get the wrench right there, the thing right, the mallet and the screwdriver right there too. Gotcha. You know we're going in the back, so go all the way to the back.
It's just push and pull basically. There's no easy way about it unless you have a crane. It is what it is. All right? Yep.
Push.
Yep.
All right, hold on for a second. You're gonna push in there. Gotta come up.
Yep.
Push in. You ready?
Okay.
All right.
I have seen people use lifting straps, however that creates an unstable platform. You have to remember, somebody's going to be walking backwards up these difficult stairs. One loose brick that they step on can cause either the piano or the piano mover to fall, and even worse, be both, making it catastrophic if somebody would get hurt or the piano would get damaged. So, by placing it on the piano board and sliding it up the stairs, you create a stable platform.
Yep. You okay, Josh?
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, big one. Big boy.
Just broke the strap.
Okay, hold on. Normally we run the hump strap through the rope handles. Now we have to remove the handle and put the hump strap through the hole on the board. It's not a big deal. It's just going to take a little bit of time.
JT, where's that hole at?
Sometimes you have to work problems that come up unexpectedly.
Nothing about moving pianos is easy, and we never recommend doing this on your own. Always, always, always hire a professional. These videos are meant to give you an insight into piano moving and hopefully an understanding as to why hiring a professional piano mover is so important.
Ready?
Yep. Okay.
I gotta start going towards your left, Sean.
Yep, you're fine. Yep. Okay. Stands on the balance.
Ready?
Yep. JT, how you doing?
Ready?
Good? Yep.
Up top. One more time. Ready? Push straight in. You ready?
Yep.
Good.
Now we're coming straight in.
Straight in.
Yep, hold on.
There you go.
These loose bricks, man, they can really hurt somebody, but hold on, guys. Come on in. Okay.
Okay, good. We'll come up to you. Good. You ready? No. I got this one.
We're going to check the sustain. No ringing, we're good to go. Sustain is in place. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, if you learned something, please hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more piano moving videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.